Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer workflows in Zapier for project updates step by step clearly. To begin transferring workflows in Zapier for project updates, log into your Zapier account. Navigate to the dashboard where your existing Zaps are displayed. Identify the Zap you want to transfer. Click on the three dots icon next to the Zap to open the options menu. Select the Share option from the drop-down menu. You will see a prompt to create a shareable link. Click on Get Link to generate this link. Copy the link provided to your clipboard. Next, log out of your current account and log into the account where you want to transfer the workflow. Paste the copied link into your browser's address bar and hit Enter. You will be redirected to a page displaying the Zap details. Review the Zap configuration to ensure it meets your requirements. Click the Use this Zap button on the page. This will prompt you to configure the connected accounts if needed. Make sure to log into any required apps to establish connections. Once all accounts are linked, follow any prompts to customize the trigger and action. Finally, test the Zap to ensure it functions correctly in your new account. If everything works as expected, activate the Zap to start using your transferred workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.